Kecengsi kardom kadu kabe Karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara doan fans tamil apen pini la so video long nali tumhan nang kiwan pi la bangke Voreng Avarsai puthak sin nang kiwan pi iklo kopia Voreng Avarsai ma kon anapu sa vacancies doma ke apply nang ji koson ma last date command tu ma la so details la bangke nali tum non la so video long se thekpon long ikpo nang litum la so YouTube channel la ando subscribe kelang please subscribe gon la pen video stamina litum share kon igon tangke non Karbi Anglong pen grateful Voreng Avarsai la so puthak le lang pononang la pen chethan pononang tangte non pathiek pen lang pon thulana office of the district la pen season jas Karbi Anglong Diphu hin pen kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai nali tum da screen along thek pon long exi nili long dol la so advertisement alo la pen ladak advertisement pulo tangte la bangke Voreng Avarsai lo la pen la so Voreng Avarsai kapik lang pon la bangke the district and season just Karbi Anglong Diphu hin pen paklang pon iglo the penning khang abang pu abang fitum nali tum jang se jogdon example de jogdon iktame lada ki tok pona ting pulte application are invited for filling up the flowing vacancies post of process server grade 4 in the establishment of the undersigned in the scale pay of so as under the sinning ke hang abang fu jongs abang fitum nali tum jogdon example de dak pro, process server grade 4 avaring warsai kapik langdo la se pay scale kadu kave salarian tanali tum dak pen thekpon long po la pen chethan pon na kai kiason nali tum screen along thekpon tu long ji dak serial number pen cheng log name of post la pen vacancies post la pen categories ke thak pon dak la so puthak lang pon na ke cheng si name of post la bangke nali tum thekpon long ikpo process server la pen Potha dake tokpondo number la pen category of vacancies post SC ST OBC atum 0 la pen unreserved dak kadu ka pen bangheni aparmando la se unreserved pula la bangke madu category ta jogdun mi je la se prabjen pen nani tumjang se jogdun ji pulte jogdun iktame la pen pay scale of pay la banani tum dak theklong ji 14,000 pen 70,000 anali tum long pon ikpo JP dak rest 5,200 anali tum long pon ikpo la pen sanctioning letter number nani tum dak thek pon long ekje la pen so Voreng Avarsai fund eligibility criteria puthak lang nam lo putin nani tum thek pon long po the candidate must be graduate in any discipline mate discipline graduate ke untang bang pu mate bang pinang po la pen number 2 lang ke tok pon do the candidate must have knowledge in official language in Assam mate Assam along official language an bang attack lap nang po lapen chini lap nang po jolas lo lapen koson se ke apply nang ji pulo tang te nalitum dak thek pon long ji intending candidate will be have to submit their application in sealed envelope to the district and season just Karbi Anglong Diphu 782460 either personally or through post on or before Sachiklo 20 February 2025 during office of Parliament office awards lo sining khang a candidate atum nali tum jogdon example te envelope lo ekaching si application so application long exi application form bang nali to fill up nang po kinang so document application pen pabon rap tip nang po la pen envelope long envelope arlo thapsi la pachera pamenang po mate pabon pamenang po la so thak nali tum ki tok do nang ji la bang kela sono to the district la pen season just Karbi Anglong Diphu pulason tok do nang po la pen pin number to tok do nang ji la pen nali tum adang office long mat dam pen le thon dam stame chok ale pulte nali tum speed post pen le nali tum send dam e pulte nali tum send setame chok putsi da ke tok pon la pen puthot do thulang dak pen ke tok pon number 1 lo nali tum theklong ji number 1 on the top one the application must superscript application for the post of the process server on the top in the envelope and must write your mobile numbers on the top of standard form respectively in red ink mate nalitom application form along stami course application for the post pulason tok na po copy post ma pulte lagi process server post pena post nalitum somen tok na po lapen lapen nali tum mobile numbers tami standard form la athaksi kolom sahi mate ing ake er penali tum mobile number tami tok do nangji pusi dagi tokpon lapen number 2 long do thulang dagi tokpon do thulang nali tum theklongji the application must be incomplete with nali tum kinangji labangke photo pagni nangpo coloring photo recent non het kachotai la so photo lo lapen experience certificate nangji jongsi do pulo tangte lapen all self attested testimonials in support of their educational qualification and caste lapen self attested labang kenalitum pithai nangji labang ke kinang sotlo angto na documents pen chenglo ka certificate pupilo na hoksta ajat education qualification ala so certificate lo ata self attested pithai nangpo lapen number 3 long ke dotulang candidate already in government service must apply through proper channel nasi nalitum akaprek government sakori
February 1st kali pulotangte la March 1st molamsi long ponji
lapen
pusi
kibasing indirectly in disqualify candidate lapen nalitum jong sedak choklim le pulote nalitum phan disqualified at po dakpen lapen Puthat Dutlang number 5 on the candidate will be have to appear in the written examination and interview on their own express and no TA lapen TA in assemble in the respect lapen incomplete application will be rejected live and anitum chini ponikpo lapen all information nanitum da theklongji all information about that of written test and viva workis shall be uploaded in the official website and office notice board lapen nalitum written test apor lapen viva apor na lelo pulota adet na lelo pulota alang litum office notice board long stami pabon punik po kali pulte na litum laso official website do laso website long nam stami na litum long ponik ji kali pulte na litum la Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long stami long ponik po lapen selection process na litum dakpen kipipon labang kenalitum theklong jin number 1 long ketok pondo selection for the post of process servers will be through written examination 100 marks apan padapan po viva labang ke 20 marks so lapen the written test shall be compressed in subject for English general awareness mathematical ability lapen aptitude extra lahisi and ponik po lapen pinanda ke tok pondo la so process panani tum lang ponigon dake to an nearly already advertisement alo labang ke WhatsApp group lapen Telegram channel os tami send ponik elo lapen last date nali tum ning chibi gon la so chiklo 2 February diakta 20 February 2025 se last date lo lapen apus labang ke bahini farmando tami category labang ke UR mate unreserved lapen salary nali tum 14,000 70,000 anlong ponik je apus samen labang ke process server lapen post labang ke grade 4 apus lapen ke charlie engdeng labang ke nalitum graduation unang po jalalo lapen ka apply process ta kado ka vedak details pang to por lablo lasinali tum so video share po nego share diko Karbi Anglong rasta me pala inglang lapen pachinig na lapen sonson Voreng update nali tum kilong ver jafan pura la so YouTube channel labang ke subscribe ikon tangti do me thak me kado ka ve Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do an fans tame nilhin pen kardom